This is a Polo GTI model, which is a 1.8 liter TSI petrol engine with 192 bhp, 320 Nm torque, 0 to 100 6.7 seconds. Now I'll tell you about the main specification of this car. This is a basically 3-door car with sunroof, panoramic sunroof. You can see the pedal shift over here, which is given here. Cruise control, voice control system. You can adjust the steering as you require. Now there is the best features, seat heated system, which is given for the driver as well as for the co-passenger. Now they've given the sports select button, which is over here. Once you'll press this button, the suspension will be lowered down by 15 mm. Parking sensors, front as well as rear. Co-passenger airbags off and on option, which is basically for the small kids. Those are below like 3 years or something. Now this is for the rear fog thing. Now this is a Blue Motion technology, which is given. So car is basically, while driving, the car takes a pedal shift. Once you will brake the pedal for more than 8 seconds, car will get stopped automatically. Once you leave the pedal, it will get start. Now this is the thing which they have given for the electronic stability control system. While drifting, for the youngster, they do love to do stunts and something, so they have to switch it off. Then only they can do the stunts. Now we'll come to the about this system. We'll press the menu button. You can connect your mobile through App Connect. Through USB you have to connect. After that, this Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Mirror Link. These 3 softwares are acceptable. This screen will act as your mobile. Your mobile screen will get black. You can operate all the applications, messages, music system. You can even write the messages. You can call any person. You can see the videos, photographs, and each and everything. Now we'll come to the car. It's given here. We'll press this. It will tell you about the vehicle status. It's showing please refuel it. This is the thing only which is showing right now. Rest car is perfectly fine because it's a new car. If any dangers or anything happen to this car, it will show you on the screen. Now they've given the tire pressure loss indicator. It will be like if any pressure is lost, they'll tell you about that. Menu setting, you can set the car according to your need, what kind of keyboard you want, QWERTY or ABC. You can write the things as per your need, your language, time, screen, what kind of screen you want, which language you prefer. Basically it's like everything they have given according to that. Now they have changed unit, how many kilometers. You can set the speed limit as well. If you want that your car should not exceed the speed of at approx 120, so once you cross the speed, it will give you alarm. You'll see the alarm that it's indicate over there. Now they have given the fatigue detection system. They've given these features while you're sleeping or something in driving a long journey. So it will give you attention alarm system, which will make you alert while driving in long term. Like it always happens that we used to hear about that people get met with an accident, they get sleepy or something while driving. So it will make you alert and it will show you a coffee cup. Let's take a break. You're lazy or you're tired. That's the best feature which I like about this car. And they have given one more feature in this. You can permanently switch off the co-passenger airbag from here as well. They have given the system, infotainment system of Volkswagen. Here you can put the CD for the SD card. It's given over here. You can this. Even you can put the bottles. It will be cool over here because it's like they have given the cooling glove system over there. Now they have given the like 1.5 kg storage below the seat in the driver seats as well as co-passenger seat. Now they've given handrest, where you can put few things. They've given the space as well. Very good sports seats, world best sports seats they've given. They've given 17 inches tire with red caliper disc brake as well, which is low profile sports tire, sports suspensions, sport kit, sports spoilers, twin exhaust system with the chromium look, front grille, auto adjustable headlamps, daytime LED. That's it. 0 to 100 6.7 seconds.